Welcome to this new RC Snow biplane project. In this video I will show you the flights of this RC plane that I built. I've also strapped a small Insta360 camera to the airplane to show you some videos from the POV of the aircraft itself. And I've also made a video of the plane flying from the outside. I hope you'll enjoy it, and that's it. Now, this isn't any easy project by any means. I did encounter a lot more problems that I usually get. For example, a big problem for me was that the floats were a little bit too small at the front in the beginning. However, I tried to make them a little bit bigger by adding small plates at the front, and I gradually made my way upward. And in the end, I think I perfected it because they work a lot better than in the beginning. However, it still didn't quite really work. And yeah, I'm not quite sure why that was the case. Maybe if someone of you knows it, maybe you could write a comment and say what I did wrong. Back when I started building this airplane, which is about a week ago, I originally wanted to only make a monoplane because it would be a lot more efficient, and I didn't really think there would be any snow in the next week. However, there was a big surprise with the new snowstorm. So I decided to use the plane that I had built previously, and I just decided to add another wing below in order to make it into a biplane, because then it would be a lot slower and easier to handle, especially with these landings that you see here. I've also decided to use floats because I heard that they work a lot better than skis, especially in this powdered snow, but I didn't really manage to compare it because the airframe was kind of destroyed, but I will probably get back to this concept in the next year. Now, before you go into the comment section to spam, "Hey, where's the build video on this airplane?" Yes, there will be a build video on this airplane, and also some more unseen footage, for example also more landings, and also the flights with only one wing, so with the mono wing. But I just don't really have a lot of time right now, and the weather is not my best friend also. However, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe and like, maybe also comment if you want, because that would really motivate me to make the build video a lot sooner. However, yeah, that's it from me. Bye.